How to use capcut software to generate subtitles in Mac system. Importing video clips. Click on the TXT button and click on Auto Captinos. Select the language of the video. Waiting to generate subtitles. Check if the subtitles are complete. Draw the line to the end to see the cache location of the subtitle file. Location of the open file. Select the selected file. Pull the file into this location at this URL. Click Generate to see the text in subtitle format on the right. You can choose subtitles in SRT or TXT format. You can also change the subtitles here.